In this step, we'll begin creating the itinerary by choosing the destinations your clients will visit. First, select all the destinations you want to include. After that, you can arrange them in the exact order you'd like the itinerary to follow. Under each destination is a list of lodges that are linked specifically to that location. This is especially helpful in areas like the Serengeti, where there are multiple regions. The Smart Search tool helps you find the correct destination, either by hotel name or location keyword. When searching for a specific lodge, it's best to type the lodge name into the search field. You will then see it highlighted in the region it is set to, and you can add this region to your package. For example, if you search lake, you might see a long list, since many locations contain the word lake. To narrow it down, try searching for something more specific, like baobab. That will bring up all matching lodges with that name. Now let's go ahead and start with Arusha. Continue with Lake Manyara, then
Tarangire.
And next, we'll head into the Serengeti. We'll select the central Serengeti for this itinerary. From there, we'll return to Arusha to wrap up the journey. On the left-hand side, you'll notice a selector next to each of your selected destinations. If you want to include a location more than once, like Arusha at the beginning and end, you can simply add another instance of it. It's important to note that this selector on the left shows how many times a location appears in the itinerary, not how many nights are spent there. That's controlled on the right-hand side, where you set the number of nights for each stop. Now we can update the number of nights at each destination. We'll leave Arusha, Manyara, and Tarangire at 1 night each. We'll add 3 nights in the Serengeti. And for the final day in Arusha, we'll set it to 0 nights, since it's a pass-through day with lunch and transfers, but no accommodation. On the right side, route and timeline section, everything is fully drag and drop. You can reorder destinations at any time using this feature. The system will automatically adjust the dates and days accordingly, even if you've already added accommodation or experiences. It's very flexible and makes updating itineraries quick and easy.